Welcome to QClock. This is an application where you set a target time and then it alerts you when you set a notification to a certain point. The whole point of this application is so that you set targets to your certain time frames and then it lets you know when you have hit those times. This is especially useful in broadcast and any time related activities where you need to set target times for certain activities. In this, you have two time zones that you can change. You can edit the existing queues, you can change the zones, you can add alerts, and you can change the name. You also have other controls for 12 hour 24 hours, disabling seconds. You can also disable the minimize ended queues so that you will have this enabled for the next target time. On the web version, you have how to use keyboard shortcuts. You can send me a feedback and check out any information about me or check out the source code. You also have a full screen mode so that you can enable it and just leave it as it is. On the mobile version, you have the feature to set alarms, and once you do that, when you hit your alert time, it will give you an alarm instead of an alert.